Hi, I'm Margaret, and today is the final video in my breakfast treats recipes. And here's the ingredients I've used today. But you can use your favourite ingredients as well. First of all, a little butter and a little truffle olive oil. And I'm going to saute the tomato slices and wilt the spinach. It doesn't take long at all. So make sure it's nicely covered in those beautiful flavours. The beauty of this recipe is that it is so quick to make. It can be whizzed together really quickly with ingredients that you've already got in the fridge. I'm just going to pop those in a little line so that when it's rolled, there's a bit of tomato in every bite. There we go. Then a little chilli. I've used red and green. You can just as easily use chilli flakes. And the next job is to add the egg. 1 egg for each tortilla. Pop the tortilla on top and turn it over. That's going to be the outside, and we're going to brown that off later on. Now all we need is for the egg underneath to set. Let's have a little look. Almost. There we go. Just turn it over. Now a little bit of ham. I've chosen Gouda cheese, one of my favourites. And I'm popping the lid on to help the cheese to melt. The lid keeps the heat in, and after a little while, I think the cheese is starting to melt nicely. So as soon as the bottom is golden, slide it onto a plate and add a little pepper, a little salt. I've added a little avocado too. Ooh, black olives would be nice in here. Let's just roll it up and then slice it into 2 so it looks nice on the plate and tempting to eat. And something that goes really well with this is balsamic crème. It's a lovely thick balsamic, and this one has a tiny background flavour of mandarin. It's beautiful. How's that for a breakfast? Thanks for joining me today. Always good to have you along. Next week, I'll be making a recipe that you might enjoy for Valentine's Day. Until then, take care, and I'll catch you soon.